Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. This is Miss DLC, and my content is about handbags, accessories, and everything related to handbags. And today we have an unboxing. So here it is. I am generally, I would say probably about maybe 80% of my bags are big bags. I've always been a big bag girl. I want to carry as much as I can in the bags. I don't know why. I'm just comfortable with that. Well, I'm challenging myself. I'm challenging myself to try smaller bags. Now, I did a video and it's posted out there where I tried the Maggie Small and I was satisfied with that carry. So I'm hoping I'll have another run with this new bag that I have purchased. I've seen it on social media, and it was um, just good reviews. I haven't seen anything that was bad on this bag. So the long awaited. I don't know why. I have no idea why. I'm a little nervous about this. It's a small bag, and it just came today, so we are going to see what she looks like. So I haven't opened her, so I don't know what she looks like. Never held her in person. I have just seen videos of her. So we are going to see if all the good reviews that I saw, I agree with. Now, the one thing about this bag is I toyed between this size and the size up. It's three different sizes, and this is the smallest of all three. And I'll tell you why. Once I opened this, finally settled on this one. And let's see, there's a lot of tape here. And I'm gonna get to it. Let's see, how do I get to this box? This is really secure in here. So, and also, not sure what time you're looking at this, but we will be hitting spring real soon. So I am also preparing for that. So they really have this secure in here. All right. Not only am I trying smaller bags, I'm also trying to carry more of the bags in my selection too. So really challenging myself in 2026. So we'll see how all that works. All right. I think we're here. Okay. You ready? Oh gosh. Here we go. Here we go. So she is from Coach. And let's see what we have here without me tearing everything up. Small, small. Can you guess what she is? All right, here she goes. Let's just take her out of her protective coating here. All right, there she is. Oh my gosh. She is the Lana. Oh my goodness. So cute. This is I think they call it elephant. It's a gray shade. She has jury, her tag on the side. And let's see, I'm gonna cut this little tab off. This is small, people. If you have this bag, I'm gonna run into your video because I just need to know how it's working for you. She is tiny. She is tiny, people. All right, this is small for me. This is small. So with these bags so small, what do you normally do? You bag lovers, for smaller bags, are you using wallets and accessories, or are you just adding your items straight in the bag? Because I think that it may take up more room using not really a card wallet, definitely a card wallet I would use in here. I hope I'm going to keep this because I'm just cutting everything off. But let's start with the bag itself. So let's take a gander around her and we'll start with the front. She has the Coach C here, top handle, the side. There are no feet. There's a seam that goes down the back and also the front. There is this flat bottom. It's cinched at the top here on both sides. There is a little ring where you can probably add an accessory. This is important to me for small bags because generally what I'll do is clip a little pouch or something right here where I will carry my um, AirPods. And, and then in the inside, see that it's a leather interior. There are two D rings on each side, and those are for the strap. We'll take a look at the strap in a minute. And then there is a middle section here. I probably would, you know what? I'm saying this is small, but I think it probably will carry a bit of thing. I'm going to try a couple of things in here. I'm just looking, inspecting in the inside, and I see that the C here, I'm not sure if you can see that in the inside, but it goes from the outside and you can see the C or the interior of the bag. There's the Coach patch there. And let's see, I haven't thought about, let me just, a couple of things I generally carry. I have a key pouch that fits in there. And let's see, if I have, let's try a little card wallet. I have a card wallet. And maybe what I'll do if I'm carrying this in that middle section, it is magnetic. So the card wallet does not fit horizontally in the bag. So I would have to, which is not bad. You see how it is there? Okay. And then I definitely could not use a big wallet. So how about this wallet from Coach? And maybe I have some room here and maybe just a little pouch or something that I would carry, maybe some lip gloss or something. That's maybe this one. Let's see. And that fits in there. Well, okay, well, I think I'll see that. And then that would carry like now. I don't know if those will be the accessories that I would have, but I'm just trying a couple of things out. And let's look at this chain. All right. So I said earlier there was one reason that I selected this tiny bag versus the mid-size. I believe this is I'm gonna say this is a 19. I believe it's a 19. And yes, 19. Lana 19. And the color is where's the color? Where's the color? Ash. Okay, I thought it was like an elephant, but it's ash. You can see that. It's ash. And look at the chain. So this is the Coach chain. The claw does not have Coach on the claw. It's not, let's see, it's not branded on that end and it's not branded on this end either. The chain is pretty lightweight. And I saw a video with this where one of the bag lovers, she did this and I thought it was so cute, and maybe that's why I brought it. She said she saw it like this in the Coach store and she just copied it. And let's see if I can see, it was draped around. I hope you can see this. So I'm draping this. Let me sit it on top of the box so you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see this. She draped it like this. I can't see. Let's see. And then draped it again. And one more time. And just carried it like that. Is cute. Doesn't it look like a little wrist? I love it. Okay. Uh-oh. So this may not be too much of a challenge for me. I really love this. I am going to try to carry her at least a day this week and see how she works. And then I'll come back once I carry her and do a video and let you know what I think. But right now, thumbs up, 10 out of 10 from what I see right now. And this is the Lana. And this is the small, I don't know if they call it tiny, small, but this is the 19 Lana in ash. Thank you all. See you next time.